Welcome to this video on access controls. After watching this video, you will be able to describe access controls and access management, discuss the role of identities in effective access management, identify traditional as well as innovative access control methods. Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes you and unlocks it for you? Or how does a website know whether you're allowed to see certain information? The answer lies in access controls, the security measures that ensure only authorized individuals can access specific resources. Access management is an integral aspect of access control. It includes the processes and technologies used to control and monitor users' access to information and technology resources. For an effective access management strategy, identifying individuals, applications, devices, and organizations requiring access is crucial. These entities, known as identities, are unique digital representations of individuals, applications, devices, or organizations. Consider them as keys that unlock specific resources based on designated access levels, such as read-only, edit, or full administrative control. For example, all identities include a user with a unique username and password, a computer identified by its IP address, or an application with specific permissions. It is important to remember that although identities can include facts about applications, devices, or organizations, their primary focus is often on individuals. These identities interconnect with important information or attributes about the subject that serves as their digital footprint. These attributes, ranging from basic details like name and age to more intricate features like hair color and height, play a pivotal role in identity and access management. Therefore, identities represent one of an organization's most vital assets. Their critical role makes them prime targets for both internal and external attackers seeking unauthorized access. With advancements in organizational security measures, attackers face increased difficulty exploiting vulnerabilities in Internet-exposed systems. Therefore, attackers now focus on acquiring valid user credentials to gain and maintain access to their targets. Organizations should be aware of these threats and adopt effective defense strategies against potential breaches. Let us now discuss access control methods. These are frameworks for regulating access to physical or digital resources. They define who can access specific resources, what actions they can perform, and under what conditions. These methods range from physical security, like locks and keycards, to digital measures such as passwords, biometrics, and encryption. When individuals seek access to online resources, various methods come into play to establish their digital identity and ensure secure authentication. Here are a few traditionally used methods: usernames, certificates, tokens, secure shell SSH keys, and smart cards. Let us discuss them in detail. One of the most common methods is using usernames, which offer a simple way to claim an identity. However, usernames alone lack inherent security and require additional measures, like passwords, for verification. After usernames, other methods like certificates exist. These are digitally signed documents verifying an identity and can be stored on devices or physical tokens for secure communication and authentication. Additionally, tokens involve a physical device capable of generating a code, connecting through USB, or using wireless methods like Bluetooth to authenticate an identity by presenting a certificate or other relevant data. SSH keys offer an alternative to traditional usernames and passwords for enhanced security. These securely store cryptographic key pairs used for secure login to remote servers. Furthermore, smart cards, equipped with chips and employing various interfaces, can securely store credentials and perform cryptographic operations, adding another layer of protection. While traditional methods like usernames and passwords play a role, organizations often implement more innovative approaches. Here are a few of them: biometric systems, behavioral biometrics, geolocation and time-based restrictions, multi-factor authentication (MFA), and single sign-on (SSO). Let us explore each of them. Biometric systems leverage unique physical characteristics like fingerprints, facial recognition, and iris scans for strong user verification. However, Careful handling of this data is crucial to protect user privacy. Next, emerging technologies like behavioral biometrics are also making a mark. This technology analyzes user behavior patterns, like typing rhythm and mouse movements, to continuously authenticate users in a subtle yet powerful way without disrupting their workflow. Geolocation and time-based restrictions also add an extra layer of security by restricting access based on the user's location or the time of the access attempt. Additionally, multi-factor authentication, MFA, significantly improves security by requiring additional verification factors, like one-time codes or biometric verification, alongside usernames and passwords. Finally, single sign-on, SSO, allows users to access multiple applications with a single set of login credentials, reducing password fatigue and the risk of credential reuse across services. Each of these methods we discussed adds a layer of complexity and security to verifying an individual's identity. Organizations often use a layered approach to access control, integrating several security measures to create an adequate defense against unauthorized access. Along with determining who can access what, access control systems also play an essential role in monitoring and recording access activities. The access control system tracks who accesses resources, when and what actions they take, analyzes logs to identify and respond to potential security breaches, demonstrates adherence to data security regulations and internal policies, protects sensitive data from unauthorized access and misuse. In this video, you learn that access controls are security measures that ensure only authorized individuals can access specific resources. Identities are unique digital representations of individuals, applications, devices, or organizations. Access control methods are frameworks for regulating access to physical or digital resources. There are two types of access control methods: traditional and innovative.